Hey everyone, welcome to the NorthOaks Contract AI platform. This is the login page. If you would like to sign up, you also have a sign up option. For now, I'm just going to log in as a user that I already have as Satyam. So as soon as you log in, what you would see is a contract library page. These are all the contracts that have been uploaded in the past. So on the left hand side, you'd be able to see a sidebar which has the toggle functionality to different pages, and then you can sort all these pages based on newest and oldest, based on A to Z alphabetical characters. You can even uh, pin the contracts that you've uploaded, and you can uh, choose pin first, and you'll be able to sort them out. You have all these features along with choosing how you want to view your contracts based on grid. You can even sort them. You can even see them in different views, like the list view that we have over here. Um, and another is you can even search the contract. Let's say I had this contract that I had uploaded called vendor. So if I click on vendor, you'd be able to see the contract. Uh, so this is how it everything works, and inside this is how it looks. But before that, let us explore like how you get contracts in this contract library. So as a user, you'd be uploading a contract. So you'll click on upload contract, you'll click on the drag and drop button. And when you click on that, you'll be able to see all these files that you wanna upload. Let's say I wanna click on this one. I'll upload this one, and the processing is going on. And as soon as the contract is processed, you'd be able to see the contract top at first. That's me, Satyam Pathak, and to Will to 2025, today's date. So as soon as the contract is uploaded, you can click on it and you'd be able to see the contract. So let's say we want to chat with the contract. I want to know like what this document is about. So I'll just say summarize this contract, and it'll give me the answer in 200 words. Uh, you can readjust this pan as well. And as you can see, we got the answer under 200 words. It says this contract outlines the terms of a professional contract and so forth. So let me be a little bit specific. Let me ask it about something like, what does it mention about payment terms? And it says the document mentions that the client agrees to make timely payments. It does not specify what. So if I click on the sources, I would be able to see sources that were highly used for giving this answer. Um, Let me ask some more questions. Maybe what does it say about health center obligation? I know there's something related with it, so I'm just going to ask what it is about. So it gives me an answer quick. It says, according to the document, the health center provider obligation is stated in this. And if you click on the sources, then it will be able to highlight all the sources that it used to give us this answer. So let us go back. Once a contract is uploaded, you would be able to see all these contracts over here. Let's say you want to like compare two contracts. So if I want to compare, maybe I want to compare um, this contract with, let's say, or maybe not this one, this contract with this contract. And if I click on a third one, it would say maximum two contracts can only be compared. So I'll just click and compare. After that, it will take you to a contract comparison window, and you'd be able to see the contract over here side by side. And you can readjust the sidebar. You can readjust the chat panel as well. Let me ask something like, what are the differences between these two contracts? These are different contracts. This one is 60 and this one. So, uh, and as you can see in the sources, it used all these sources to determine the differences. Uh, and maybe let me ask something related with the table over here. I know there's a table in this contract as well. So let me ask something related with the table over here. So what is the difference in office visit and consultation fees in both the contracts? And then it would give me all the answer I need, and it would also cite the source that it used, which is this one. For this one, it's this one, and it would also use other sources that are relevant to it. So this is how the contract comparison works. Um, Let us explore another feature, which is making a contract public. So let's say this is the contract that I uploaded, right? So if I want to make this public, I'll just click on make public, and you'd see a notification over here. The contract is now public. Now let's say I'm another user who uses the same contract AI platform, uh, which is this one. If I click on sign in, you'd be able to see that I have a notification over here which says the contract this health service client agreement is now public by Satyam Pathak, and I'm able to see the contract itself over here. So if I click on inside, I would be able to access the chat, continue on the chat what Satyam left off on. So maybe I want to ask something related with what does it say about HIPAA compliance? What does it say about HIPAA compliance? And I would be able to get the answer with the citations, obviously. So this is how everything works. You're also able to delete a contract. Let's say this is a contract that I uploaded. If I want to delete this contract, you can just click on delete contract, and it's a contract deleted successfully. And if I go log out,